Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to fix sound related problems on Windows 10. So there might be some issues with your sounds on your Windows 10 on your PC. So to solve that, let's head over to some fixes we can follow. So the first one is like you have to go to the sound icon right here on the lower right corner. Just right click on it and check if your sound is turned on or off. This might be muted, so just toggle to mute and toggle to unmute. So check this. This is the first and the most easiest one. And once it is just if it works, then yeah, you are good to go. And if it doesn't, then just right click on the speaker option again. And here you'll find the option of troubleshoot sound problems. So just click on troubleshoot sound problems. This might take a while to verify or to find the problems in your PC with sound, and it will also solve the problem within. So you don't have to worry for that. So yeah, this is it's done, and once it is done, just try to test your sound again of your PC or laptop on your Windows 10. And if the problem still persists, then go to the search icon right here and search for Device Manager. So go to Device Manager, that is in Control Panel. We can also navigate Device Manager from Control Panel, but I found it easier for you. So once you are in your Device Manager, here you will find the option of sound, video, and game controllers. So click on it, and here will be two options: high definition audio device. So just head over to any one of them and just right click on them, and here go to these, and this will land you on this layout. And from here, this is here you are in general, and it is showing the device status is this device is working properly. So go to driver, and here go to the update driver. So if you tap on update driver, it will land you to this page. Sometimes you might need to update your sound driver for better sound quality. So just go to browse my computer for drivers, select this option, click on it, and here you can also search for or browse your computer driver location, and you can also let me pick from a list of available drivers on your computer. So just click on it, and here just tap on the high definition audio device, and then just tap on next, and this will just update your driver. So yeah, once it is done, try to restart your PC again, and once you equipped it, you can make sure to know that your sound problem is gone. And yeah, this is another one that will to tell you. And then there's another problem fix that you can follow. Go to your device manager again. Here go to sound, video, and game controllers. Go to high definition audio device, and just right click on it. Here just click on uninstall device, and once you uninstall this device, reboot your PC. You can shut down your PC and reboot it again. And once you reboot it, your sound or your device will be installed again by itself. So then the problem might get solved. And once it is done, you can also check if the problem still is ongoing. Then just tap on the speaker icon again, right click on it, and here go to open sound settings, and here you can troubleshoot the problem of your sound. You can also test your microphone from here, and you can also change your volume. Once it is done, try to test your audio device again, and you can also troubleshoot from here. Just click on troubleshoot and your problem will be solved. And last but not the least, here is just tap on this choose your output device. You can choose, there might be some output device for your sound or audio system, so you can change it and try to test it so your problem can get solved. You can also change your microphone too. So yeah, this is how you can just fix your audio device on your Windows 10 or 11. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.